then it is okay.
Okay, so I think the first resolution, Prasanna, you can first minute you can write there. That we take opinion of legal opinion from about the society matter, that whether going for the housing society bylaws is beneficial for us or not, looking at whatever situation we are in and overall. And if he is favoring that decision, then we go for it. If he says no, then we will see what to do next.
Okay.
Even त्याच्यामध्ये पण असेल if anybody has any contact with any of the societies where there is a premises society, if they have adopted it, then also it is can be referred ना. कोणाचे 4 ओळखीचं केलंय त्यांनी and they have no problem.
That already can be done. Yes.
Correct.
6 वर्ष झाली already.
So we'll seek opinion from legal expert as well as friends and other persons.
Yes.
If non society is there.
Non person. Correct. Okay.
Okay. So I think we can go ahead.
Yeah. Okay.
May I add one point?
Yes.
Not to this. This is with reference to the FD list that was circulated by Ketal.
Yeah.
And having worked in this industry for a long time, I have one observation, and I would like to highlight it to the managing committee. And if they think it is prudent, they may consider what I am going to tell them. The fixed deposits that we have are all in cooperative banks, right? So we have a considerable risk.
Yes.
Right. So we have to recognize this risk, and if the society is okay with the risk, because you earn a higher interest rate by keeping that money in a cooperative bank, we can go ahead. Right. Many of these institutions are 80 years, 70 years, 100 years old. But today, the vintage or the age of a bank is not a criteria for it to collapse, right? So I would ideally recommend that as FDs mature, we de-risk ourselves and move some of the money into government-recognized banks, nationalized banks like State Bank, where the banking machinery will not allow it to fold. So be it a state bank, some part of it at least. Today, 100% of our funds are in cooperative bank. Janata Sahakari Bank, Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank, SBC Bank, Saraswat Bank, these are all cooperative banks. And cooperative banks do not have the same kind of protection. And we have seen that in the recent few collapses of cooperative banks, depositors have suffered. And this is hard-earned money which the society has kept. So we may want to consider on maturity of these FDs to slowly move into a state bank where the government will not allow a bank. It's called too big to fail, these banks. So we must consider that, is my point.
Acha, in the same on the same subject, I see some of the sinking fund also in Shamra Vital. It is that is also a practice, or it is allowed, or if it has to be done only in MSCB. Sinking fund, there is some rule, no? You can't keep the sinking fund because
नॅशनल बँकेमध्ये ठेवता येत नाही.
sinking fund नाही ठेवता येत का? नॅशनल बँकेमध्ये
ठेवता येत नाही.
ओके.
मागे आम्ही चौकशी केलेली मागे आमच्या
ओके.
तेव्हा ते हे होतं.
I think Nitin, you need to check this. I fully second, in fact, Prashant's concern about it. And the overall cooperative bank's status or the financial status is not something which is known and will probably not be declared. So yes, I fully understand. We should certainly check it, because if this money, if something gets collapses, I think this entire thing will be of no use. In fact, we'll be running our this thing. So you need to check this, whether these sinking fund also can be kept in कुठल्याही bank managership. I think बोलून आपल्याला विचार तरी करायला पाहिजे. There's nothing wrong in it. Maybe the things have changed now. I don't know what the things are. Earlier, maybe what it might not be there, but maybe things have changed now.
Okay. So, are you? Okay. So, but as Ajit said, we can find out again if it is possible. What are the new rules? If it is possible, we can shift. Otherwise, whenever they mature, at least our repair funds can be shifted to nationalized banks.
Yeah, we have to basically de-risk ourselves. I'm
Me-
not saying you have to move the money
Any
entirely
other
out.
view,
Yeah.
anyone is having any other contrary view on this, please voice.
Yes, we
Any other-
can keep only cooperative banks are allowed.
Where? For the
You
sinking,
cannot go to national bank. No. Only cooperative banks.
for the
That's for
That
sinking
can-
fund.
you may keep it only in MSCB, Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank, which cannot be dissolved rather.
like is what there. But we have kept in SVC also.
Because
Yeah, that's what I'm telling.
Uh,
That is the, we can keep, as Mr. Prashant has mentioned,
uh,
de-risking, then any bank can go in this.
uh,
Nothing can be said today or
No,
tomorrow.
If the bylaws or if the rules say that you have to keep a certain portion, say example sinking fund in a cooperative bank, then we can adhere to it. But the society's funds, otherwise by and large, we can de-risk and move it to a nationalized bank for safety reasons. I'm sure that
and
believe me, none of the cooperative banks are secure. Huh?
yes.
We have seen that it's only the
What
big
about the
banks which
MS?
have.
Prashant, what about the MSCB?
No, it is also a cooperative bank. It is also a cooperative bank. So is Saraswat Cooperative Bank. It says Saraswat Bank, but it is a multi-state cooperative bank. That is the way Saraswat Bank is called. Right?
See,
Shamra Vittal Cooperative Bank also 100 years plus. Very good institution. But again, it's a
Prashant,
cooperative bank. Huh.
this view is absolutely correct. But if you see the prevalent practices in all other societies, they would have had to do the same thing, because if it is not allowed to keep the funds in a nationalized, or if it is not possible, you have to choose the best amongst the cooperative bank and you have to settle on that. So
Yeah, Nitin, but that is only for sinking fund, right? It's not for every money that you have kept.
repair fund, you can take the due
Yes.
care. And
All
that,
I'm all I'm saying is what is mandated as per the law, let's go by it.
okay.
But what is not mandated, let us de-risk.
Yeah.
It's important to de-risk. It's all our eggs are in one basket, which is high risk basket. So
Okay.
de-risk and move some part of it into, there's nothing called zero risk, right?
Yes.
But at least you can de-risk.
Yes.
So I recommend that the management committee
Yeah,
considers this.
Now, fortunately, unfortunately, our repair fund is not much at all. We hardly have anything in the repair fund. It's
I
unless-
think it's at about 13 lakhs or something.
No.
1 lakh.
It is
1 lakh.
together. It is less than 5 lakhs.
approximately 5 lakhs.
Less than 5 lakhs.
Repair funds is 5 lakhs, which is in JSB
Yeah.
and
And
MSCB.
MSCB. So that decision can be
Sarkari and
taken
Maharashtra State Cooperative.
Not even 5.
I
That's
agree.
3 lakhs, 2.92 lakhs.
That's what I'm saying. It is around 5 lakhs compared total of both A and BC. But I agree with Prashant and Ajit, and we should move these funds out
Yes.
from this.
Okay.
From cooperative to banks, I mean, public sector bank, because they are more secure than this.
Hmm.
And repair fund, it is not mandated to keep in cooperative.
Yes.
In the meantime, we will find out from some bank person only whether sinking fund account can be opened in public sector bank.
Right.
If it is so, we should shift everything there.
Sure.
I agree because rules have changed. See, tomorrow nobody will come to our rescue
We
if
will have
there
to-
is a problem.
Subject to verification, if banks are
Yes.
allowing it, we should.
Yeah,
go.
yeah.
If we
Absolutely
can't,
correct.
then we can't.
Absolutely.
Whether this can be minuted or not, I don't know.
No, this need not be minuted.
You can make a point of it. That's all. In the same point, earlier point, you can just mention it. Need not be minuted as a resolution. It can't be made.
No, we can't minute it, and there's no need to, since we are keeping it in mind what to do.
Okay.
We will do it accordingly.
Okay.
Some of the deposits of repair fund which have already matured.
Let us, in that case, let us quickly move to the main agenda,
Yeah, okay.
and
Proceed.
we will have to discuss the other main point about when and whether to go for this, for considering the COVID situation. That we will consider first, and then we will see the overall project. Considering the COVID position, whether we want to go in or whether that will consider later on. पण कोविड असल्यामुळे लगेच जायचं नाही जायचं कधी जायचं हा डिसिजन आधी आपण पहिल्यांदा घेऊन टाकू. That's what you say, right, Gauri? Gauri, you are on mute.
I unmute.
Yeah.
See, looking at the COVID thing, the uncertainty whether when a lockdown may happen, uh, certain things might change. See what happens during these times. So what we experience, that even the material or not, even don't come till the shop for the contractors to get. So there are many aspects to it. One is labor, one is material.
Supply.
Yeah. And I mean, if we remember last year also during the monsoons, we had a tough time just trying to get the tarpaulin to cover the sheds. So I think the next 2-3 months, I think it's very fluid, the whole thing, because of these new strains coming in, and I think it's quite uncertain for such a large project. You have to keep the scale of project in mind. If it was just
Absolutely.
a flat, it's a different thing. We had trouble getting in plywood, getting in labor. Labor class went back to their towns, which may happen if these strains and all come in. Like today also in Alberta, there was a new strain found. So I think एक महिना तरी, though right now we are down, but so were the European countries 3 months back. And if you see, they were like at a plateau for a long time, and now they have again gone up. So the thing is not so much with the infection as much as maybe it affects the other things also, like the supply of raw materials, cement, steel, which will be required, plywood, which will be required. So all these things have to be, I mean, it's not a very good situation right now. काय म्हणू आपण,
Favorable.
favorable situation right now to go into a lot of such a big amount of repairs. Let me put it that way.
Gauri, let us invite any other opinions if anyone has.
Yes.
बाकी कोणाला याच्याबद्दल काय सांगायचं असेल तर
No, I agree with Gauri, in fact, to an extent that yes, situation is very uncertain. And as of now, yes, there will be a monumental task for the people to get the labor. If there are lockdowns in between, this thing can get delayed. So as such, and then we'll end up into some area like when monsoon turns up in after that. And if the work is not completed, it might cause some damage only. In fact, in the sense that you will not probably get the product as such. For me also, it is wait and watch, I would say. Rest, obviously, I am in for it. Yeah, but the thing is that you can't really decide on what exactly, when should be the start time.
Exactly. My point is the same, that, yeah, definitely I agree with what Gauri said. Not so much from only COVID point of view, but overall project continuity point of view. Definitely that is, it's a risky thing. But कुठल्या पॉइंटला आपल्याला सुरू करायचं हे आपल्याला कळायला पाहिजे, ते तरी आपण ठरवायला पाहिजे. कारण काय की द चान्सेस आर दॅट एव्हरीवन विल कीप वेटिंग, देयर इज नो डिसिजन ऑन द थिंग अँड इट मे फिझल आउट. सो वी डोंट वांट दॅट ऑल्सो टू हॅपन.
No, one thing.
गॅप ठेवा.
See, one thing is for sure, strategically, everybody has said that, we want to go in for it strategically, right? So there is no two ways about it. Second thing is, now question is when to start. Now, when to start at this point of time, we cannot decide. So we can, as a group or this thing, members can decide that let's observe for 3 months or 4 months or whatever, and then we take a call. If in 3 months nothing happens, then we go ahead. Something like that. I don't mean 3 months as in exactly 3 months. It could be 2 months, 4 months, 1 month, whatever the committee feels as or the members feel is comfortable. Because I have just experienced this delay in one of the construction projects that our society had undertaken. The labor were stuck in the property for months. The material did not reach, right? And we had a tough time managing the labor in the premises. And the cost escalations, although there was an agreement, watertight agreement, but at some point of time, the contractor will throw up his hand and say that I cannot handle the project. Then you will be halfway through, you cannot find another contractor. So these are things which are very difficult to manage. While you can do a good paperwork, nice contract which will protect everybody's interest, but in reality, to implement that becomes a challenge. So this is something which we need to consider.
What I?
Gauri, Shailatai has got some point.
Okay.
हा, म्हणजे ह्याच्यात एकच दिसतं की आता काम करायचं का नाही करायचं बस दोनच option
नाही, पण आता यांनी जसं म्हटलं तसं आता लगेच नाही करायचं, पण कधी करायचं याच्याबद्दल प्रशांत असं म्हणते की तुम्ही 2 महिने थांबा किंवा 3 महिने थांबा, 3 महिन्यानंतर एक, तर ते तरी आपल्याला डिसाइड करायला लागेल की कसं काय मेकॅनिझम काय असणार आहे डिसिजन घ्यायचं.
2 महिने 3 महिने थांबल्यानंतर पाऊस सुरू होईल. मग पावसामध्ये तुम्ही ठरवलं म्हणजे नेक्स्ट इयर.
नाही पण पावसामध्ये सुरू नाही करायचं हा पॉइंट मागच्या वेळेला कन्सल्टंटनी सांगितलं, असं काही नाही, ते करू शकतात.
He said that he will continue the work.
ते तर लावायला लागणार नाही.
ते आम्हाला मान्य
नाही, कारण ते जे आहे
एवढं बंद करून टाकून तुम्ही पावसाळ्याच्या दिवसात
ते त्यांनी वेदरशीट पावसासाठी नाही सांगितलंय. इफ आय रिमेंबर राईट, ते जे प्रोटेक्शन आहे ते तुम्हाला पाऊस असो किंवा नसो ते करायला लागणारच आहे. हे वरतून जे, कारण ते जे आहे ते पावसासाठी नाही, पण डेब्री
Safety.
कोणाला त्याच्यासाठी आहे ते. त्यामुळे तुम्ही पाऊस असो किंवा नसो ते तुम्हाला कव्हर करायला लागणारच आहे. तर
मी काय म्हणते की आता सपोज आपण म्हटलं 2-3 महिने थांबायचं आणि सपोज मग वी आर टू क्लोज टू द रेन्स, तर मग वाय डोंट वी फायनलाइज एव्हरीथिंग ड्युरिंग द रेन सो दॅट 1st October से फॉर एक्झाम्पल द वर्क कॅन ऍक्च्युअली बिगिन ऑन साइट. So there is something म्हणजे the contractor has to get labors, materials, everything. So we give him a timeline such that he actually starts his work post monsoon immediately, and all the decisions which have to be taken which are on paper can happen during the monsoon time,
And including augmenting the funds.
yes, everything. I mean right now that आता जी अनसर्टन्टी आहे की बाबा बँकेत कुठच्या टाकायचं हे वगैरे जे काय आहे बायलॉसचं जे आहे करायचं, लेट एव्हरीथिंग गेट सॉर्टेड आउट ना टिल दॅट टाइम. आणि मे बी देन वी गेट, म्हणजे राईट नाव आय फील इट विल बी टू मच ऑफ अ रशिंग टू अचीव समथिंग दॅट वी आर अनशुअर ऑफ, and then we might reach that point and then we'll have to make a gap.
Okay.
So I feel if the work on site starts in October, then till May we have a huge window in which actual work can happen on the premises without any rain issues, and by that time we also know where we stand with this whole COVID thing. आणि मग म्हणजे once the rain is out of the picture, then you have that much, and he has anyway specified 7 to 8 months. So
finishing point, one small point is there in Gauri, in that is this year also we will have to go for the monsoon shades. That is only one point. It's a small escalation which because since last year there was a lot of discussion on that matter. Monsoon shade आपल्याला कशाला करायची, कारण आपण we have to go for a long term solution. So we have to consider that this solution has been we have gone for that because of the current conditions or the timelines. So
The cost escalations because of delays will be much more in case
absolutely,
it is a
I agree
problem.
with you. I agree with you.
Yes.
So
Hello.
Yes, Prasanna.
We had received, apart from Chindarkar, we had received one more quotation from Umesh Dhargalkar. He is also a very renowned construction person and consultant. He carries out rehabilitation and all those project redevelopment or something. He is a very good friend of mine. He had sent me a document when such kind of work should happen. And I have already sent it to all members of our society on that email ID, which is common, srikunjpremises@gmail.com. I suggest all of you kindly go through it, read it well. In a nutshell, what he had told me, this project will approximately take, I'm talking about entire work, not only phase 1. I am talking about entire work. So if you carry out entire work, you should start somewhere, as Gauri rightly pointed out, somewhere in October. And then it will get finished before next monsoon, which is somewhere around May or June. So that is what is suggestion. I suggest you read that document, and I again agree,
Prasanna, that email is not accessible to all.
it is not accessible.
No,
Not, I didn't get it.
no, only the managing committee is having access to.
No, Srikunj
Working group also.
premises@gmail.com.
No.
Haven't received.
We
No one-
haven't received.
See, you have to send from that to all the members. Then only everyone can read it.
Okay, but then I will try to send it on WhatsApp also if possible.
Yeah, that should be.
Kindly go through that, read it well. You will come to know that probably this kind of work should happen somewhere after the monsoon. That is maybe October or November, and it should get completed at a stretch.
Correct.
So as Gauri had rightly pointed out, we will have the time to amend all these bylaws, arrange all those finances, rearrange our FDs in more secure banks, which is also rightly pointed by Prashant and Ajit. We should do that in these current 3-4 months. But unfortunately, we should also agree that this monsoon, coming monsoon, 2021, we will again have a terrace waterproofing work without any choice.
I mean, the monsoon shed, not.
Yes, yes, we will have to do that, because before that, no work can happen.
Yeah.
But my this thing would be, Prasanna, is that we need to finalize this before the monsoon starts, so we are 100% sure that
Absolutely.
this work
Yeah,
starts in October.
That is
Otherwise,
correct. That's what I'm saying.
Yes, yes, yes.
So you know,
But
there will
I
be no one year for this. I don't think so. That is a thing which can be done as long as society is going in for a solution which is on a long-term basis.
That
And
is
I
correct.
presume, let's hope, our fingers crossed, that the vaccines work, and probably by that time we will probably have a much better solution overall.
Yeah.
Overall confidence,
I am
overall.
suggesting the same
We
thing,
don't
that
have it now at the moment.
entire work should happen, both, not only phase 1 or not only that, entire
Yeah.
work should happen,
Perfect.
but it should begin somewhere in October,
Yeah,
considering
that's
COVID
right.
situation. We
I
do not have adequate time, even if you begin in January, which I unlikely to begin in January.
You won't be able
Correct.
And we don't have adequate time, even for 4 months is inadequate.
I know
And
that's right.
finally, he will anyway ask you to put that watershed anyway again. Terrace
I know.
waterproofing.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
will ask
Sure.
us to do it anyway.
Yes.
So better
Sure.
to do that and
Yeah.
begin in October and complete the entire work what he has suggested.
Sure.
I mean, that is my individual view.
Sure. Even I agree on that. In fact, it's pretty good. In fact, that's the way.
But going by phase 1 and phase 2, I don't agree that this patchwork won't
And
help us.
request the
Patchwork won't
managing
help.
committee
No,
to
no.
call for any other views to other members. People you have opined, you have opined, but please call for any other members if you want, they want to say something on this. If any other similar or contrary views are there, please call for that.
October में after 10 months.
Yes. After 10 months, 9 months. After 9 months. Yes. Correct. Any other views?
आणि ऑक्टोबर मध्ये पाऊस थांबतो तसं नाही
ते पण आहे. ते पण आहे.
ऑक्टोबर मध्ये कसं त्याला ब्रेकिंग वगैरे चालू करायचं राईट सो इवन इफ वी हॅव अ फ्यू शॉवर्स ही विल ऑल्सो टेक टाइम टू यु नो म्हणजे त्याचे लेबरर्स वगैरे एव्हरीथिंग हॅज टू
आणि गौरी त्याच्यामध्ये इंटरनल वर्क पण आहे ना दॅट ऑल्सो कॅन स्टार्ट
येस ही कॅन स्टार्ट विथ दॅट
इंटरनल वर्क कॅन स्टार्ट इन द
I don't know how they want to schedule it. So,
I mean, keeping that point in mind, की ऑक्टोबर मध्ये पाऊस कधी कधी कंटिन्यू राहतो तर पहिल्या महिन्यामध्ये इंटरनल वर्क त्यांना जर शेड्यूल करायचं असं आपण सजेस्ट करू दे कॅन शेड्यूल इट फर्स्ट अँड देन गो फॉर द लेटर पार्ट दॅट इज ऑल्सो
monsoon, no, don't do any internal work also because anything during monsoon.
I suggest everything should begin in October only. Don't do it phase wise.
No, I'm not saying. Please understand my point. I'm not saying that it should not be done in. I'm saying rains continue in October.
So at that time, he can begin with internal. That we will leave it to him.
That is what I'm saying. It will.
Yeah, that we will leave it to him.
Yeah.
But it will depend on monsoon situation also.
Yeah. So now if there is no other view on this, should we take it that this is a unanimous view that we should start in October?
No, let's wait for others to comment. no?
Yeah, that's
If
what I'm
anyone
asking.
wants to comment something.
Yes, Hegde sahab bola.
Nitin,
हाँ.
you see, there is a involvement of big finance.
Sorry.
finance I am telling, finance.
Ah,
You see, at the last moment, if we go by, we'll keep everything pending till October. It will be difficult to recover the installment also. So everybody cannot you pay instant, no.
correct,
Right.
They may require by way of installment monthly or something like that.
correct.
So and payment should be made in advance, maybe in advance also. In that
Yeah,
case,
we can utilize this time up to October to collect the sum.
Calculations, corrections.
that means
Yeah, I agree. I
Okay.
agree with Hegde sahib. Correct. hai.
for
Correct.
that, we
Barabar
have to decide at least work is going to happen, no, if not today, after 3 months, after
Yes,
6
yes.
months.
Yes,
Very true.
But final, whatever approximate expenses required, on that basis, at least we should start collecting.
yes, yes.
Yeah, part by part, I think that collection
Right.
can.
Absolutely right.
And meantime, by the time this about the bylaws which we are following the register, it may take month or two. I
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
know
right.
exactly that.
That
And by the fortunately, if it happens, then that cover is there. So
Correct.
initial status
Correct,
payment can be
correct,
made
correct.
from that.
Very true. Very
But
So my
for
question,
members,
my next question about this thing which comes to my mind when it is going to be executed, this decision, if it is executed, do we collect the money on the basis of the entire project cost or less sinking fund cost?
No, and
less, of course, yeah. And if the advantage is there of utilizing that sinking fund for the repairs, if we get the fortunately, if we get the approval, then there is no. You see, we can stop recovering afterwards, but
Okay.
we have to start from the beginning
You have to start on the basis of the entire
of
project
the
cost.
total on the total project
Okay,
on the total project.
correct.
yes, I agree.
Even the banks approval साठी 2-3 महिने लावणार.
Okay, okay.
By bank's
It's very,
contribution.
very well valid point which Sandhyavani has brought out. We may need to ask the consultant about escalation cost because of this time gap.
Yeah, that we have to ask. What I suggest is this.
We don't have to ask what decision we are taking.
Sorry?
But saying that in our general body, it has been decided because of COVID and strain and everything. For the present situation and all that, we may start the work after October. That is our view. That's all. Escalation point, let him say. We don't have to ask him.
No. I think what we will need to do is, we will, as everyone is saying, that we need to take a decision today. Today,
Yes,
I'm saying
that-
today because
that
we are not
decision-
going to call for a special general meeting again.
Okay,
We need to
from
take a
1st
decision.
October, we have said, na, we will
Yeah,
issue
correct.
a letter to him.
Correct.
But before that, we have to talk to him. Because
Yeah.
what we have decided in our general body, that we have to convey to him, at least in person,
That
and
is
by
right.
at least by phoning, telephone.
That is correct. But you have to, the general body, I'm representing the general body, we will have to give the power to the managing committee to go ahead with whatever the escalation cost, because if suppose the escalation cost is something which is not expected by members, then what happens? If he says there is going to be 20% escalation, it makes a big change. So some kind of decision of that kind has to be taken today only, because I don't think
No, you put it like that, subject to. If any escalation is there, because we are deciding on the basis of the total, whatever the present estimate is there.
correct.
On that basis, we will start recovering by installment by next 6 months, 8 months, whatever it is. By meantime, if we get the approval of this register, then that major portion, at least 30% of the cost will be very easily can be recovered.
Yes.
In that case, we
Agreed.
can stop recovering from the member.
Agreed. Very much agreed. My only point is, after going to the consultant, and if he comes back and says that today I cannot tell you what is going to be the escalation, I can tell you only in July or August what is going to be the escalation. In that case, do we go back to the general body again?
No.
to the
That
approval?
provision we will keep subject to. That's what I'm telling. Today, when we decide it, we will keep this particular phase we have to put. That we are going back to the consultant, that stating that we have decided in our general body that work will start only after 1st October. However, if any escalation plus or minus has to be borne by the members. You put it like that.
Okay.
Don't ask the contractor today only. After 6 months, na.
No, he'll ask today only. He may, if he says that yes, this is valid for October only, well and good. Why not? Then there is no problem. But if he says, I cannot tell now, I cannot commit now, then we will have to wait.
No, okay. In that case, we will decide.
My only point is general body, as general body, I think we should empower the managing committee to take that decision whenever on the basis of what discussion they have with the consultant.
Okay.
That's what
Well,
he
I'm-
had,
Same
that's
has
what
been.
Hegde had said, no?
Yeah.
That escalation will be borne by the member. That's what he's saying.
Yes.
That is enough for us.
And subsequently we'll inform the members. That's
Yes,
something
we'll
that we have
inform the
decided.
members
And
anyway.
as per revised contract,
Correct.
so
Revised
much has been escalated in
obtained as on
the.
date. Very true. Correct.
Okay.
I have one more suggestion, Nitin.
Yes.
Since we have decided to go, I mean, assuming this gets passed, since we have decided to go from the start of the work from October, we have about 6 months in advance if you start collecting from April. So assuming the entire work based on the existing total cost, these 6 plus next up to May, around I think 10, 11 installments will be there.
Yeah, sorry, I missed your last.
Mr. Marathe,
Yeah.
you see, one way you say the work should complete by May. Then
Yes,
you
yes.
mean to say that contract will wait till payment comes?
No,
Is
not
that-
that, because we'll be probably utilizing the sinking fund also, right?
Probably. See,
Probably.
you are not sure about today.
No, not
You
sure
are
about
not
it.
sure, but that's why I told you, whatever the expenses as per the
my
contractor is there, on
opinion
that
is
basis only we
this.
have to start collecting.
My opinion is here, I think we should not wait till April. Let's start collecting either from Jan or February latest.
February you can start collecting, but
February you start collecting.
that is right, but approximately say 11 months then till December end, we should finish this.
February, March, April.
Yes.
June,
No, you keep, by
At the most
December
9
you
to
should
10 months. नोव्हेंबर पर्यंत कंप्लीट करायला हरकत नाही आपल्याला.
No, you can complete, but the work will get over till April, May only.
That is fine. No? That is fine.
That's fine, as long as the funds are collected, it doesn't matter.
All right, then we'll collect.
पैसे असले की काय प्रश्न नाही ना.
हा.
पैसे असले की एक प्रश्न नाही ना.
Yeah, I got your point, but everyone seems to be agreeing on that point. But is there any advantage on prolonging the installments apart from that ease to the members? Is anyone having any views on that? Please, you can put that.
Yeah, I have my views only, na. Suppose
Okay.
even if we start by October and if it is May, every month how many percentage work he is going to finish? Accordingly only we are going to pay him.
Yes, that is true.
So why you are collecting 100% money 5 months in advance?
Hmm.
That is my question.
Yes. Valid point. So if anyone has any.
I mean, you will ultimately put that money in bank, earn interest and pay income tax on that.
बरोबर आहे.
You are not supposed to collect profits.
Yes.
So why till only December? My question is why not till March, let's say at least. So about 11 plus 3, 14 months installment we can
मला
collect.
माझा एक पर्सनल मत असं वाटतं की okay, I agree to whatever you are saying. Let us start in February and let us finish
Yeah, that I agree.
next Jan.
I am saying about amount of calculation. No, that is my contention.
Yeah. So next Jan म्हणजे ऑक्टोबर नोव्हेंबर डिसेंबर जॅन मध्ये पण आपण कलेक्शन करू शकतो. That will ease out. So we are kind of balancing both the advantages.
So let's collect in 12 or 13 or 14
12
days.
12 months should be good enough.
12 means February till January end.
बायलॉज अडॉप्ट केल्यानंतर जर कळलं की समजा हे आपण वापरू शकतोय तर थांबवायचं ना
थांबायचं. थांबवू शकतो. मध्ये थांबवायला लागेलच आपल्याला.
Exactly.
And why I am telling, instead of starting in February, January, February. You see, if this everything, if the same the bylaws, if are going to be, we are going to apply for it.
Okay.
Yes.
It takes hardly a month or two. So wait, na.
अच्छा.
At least for 2 months you wait. if the proposal
That's
comes,
valid
out of the total cost, this is, you can deduct this sinking fund amount, and rest on the balance, we can take next small installment, no?
So there is no uncertainty in the collection.
Yes. Today it is not there. I'm giving you 2 months. If today it has been approved, that we are going to for this adopting this bylaws, model bylaws, where
पण तुम्हाला काय वाटतंय रजिस्ट्रार कडनं 2 महिन्यामध्ये येईल का फेब्रुवारी एंड
oh yes, yes. Oh, yes, Bilal.
इन प्रोव्हाइडेड मी
आणि जायला पाहिजे तिथे
हा.
कोणीतरी सगळं.
त्या P फॉर्म एक भरायचं आहे आणि एक रिझोल्युशन अलॉंग विथ द 4 बुक्स. यस, आणि बुक्स पाठवताना हाऊसिंग काढून खोडून तिकडे प्रेमाइसिस लिहायचं.
So, are we saying that we'll start the collection after we receive the sinking fund
That is better, na?
decision from registrar?
It is
Should we
30 to
do it?
40
What
members-
decision we can take?
मेंबर्स कडून पैसे गोळा करून आम्ही सेव्हिंग्स मध्ये काय ठेवावे?
Exactly, correct. That is my.
30 to 40% we will get at least 30 to 30% तरी आमच्याकडून सिंकिंग फंड मधून मिळणार.
बरोबर.
It is more, not even 30. It may be more also, but I am taking it as 30%. So we only have to collect 70%.
बरोबर आहे. याचा अर्थ असा होतो की we need to wait till the decision comes from the registrar.
70%.
No, no. You see, as it is, work has been postponed to October instead of next month.
The 2 points are what he.
That buffer time is there, no?
Yes, buffer time is there, correct.
Then wait for 2 months. We are as it is. Work has been extended up to October. So 9 months we extended. Against that 2 months is nothing.
Okay, but if we,
Why you should-
suppose we apply as suggested by you, and we do not get the permission by, let us say, 31st March, what we do then?
Then
Collect full.
again we have to apply as it is.
That will continue.
Permission for this utilization of sinking fund साठी application करावं लागेल.
That will do it, that is okay, but if we don't get the permission,
त्याला जास्ती वेळ लागणार नाही.
or suppose we don't get it,
Only for particular item, it will not take time.
एक प्रॅक्टिकल प्रॉब्लेम असा आहे की म्हणजे आतापर्यंतचा आपला जो अनुभव आहे त्याच्यावरून रजिस्ट्रार कडे गेलेल्या गोष्टी
हे बघा, एक लक्षात घ्या.
फॉलो करायला लागतो आणि मग प्रॅक्टिकल प्रॉब्लेम हा पण आहे की आपल्याकडनं तिथे फॉलो करायला जायला असं मनुष्यबळ आपल्याकडे नाहीये. इट बिकम्स अ प्रॅक्टिकल इश्यू टू गेट अ डिसिजन फ्रॉम द रजिस्ट्रार. दॅट इज बीन सो possibility is there, it may get delayed. So we have to consider that. If it happens, well and good. But if we have to consider that possibility, it may get delayed, and accordingly we will take a decision today.
We will keep 2 months buffer instead of the January. We will keep 2 months buffer. That's all.
नितीन मला
मग
वाटतं एक नितीन मला
मार्च पासून सुरू करा.
सजेशन आहे कीप अ कट ऑफ डेट 31st मार्च या जे काही असेल वेदर अँड after that just
Start
start collecting
collecting
it
from
because
first April.
this
I
will take
agree
time
with
because
Ajit.
of the COVID time. Keep a cut off date.
Point is correct. We keep a cutoff date. We decide now, and we wait. We go for the process. If it happens before that, then we can start
Well and good.
according to that.
Otherwise, just
If
start
it doesn't
collecting.
happen. If it doesn't happen, we anyhow keep a cutoff date of 31st March and start collecting from 1st April on the basis
Perfect.
of full project.
Absolutely correct.
so 1st April you start collecting,
Correct.
calculate the installment based on 12 installments, let's say 31st March next year.
Okay.
If the sinking fund happens in between, we'll stop the collection.
Oh, perfect.
So and we start the process now, and if
Yeah, start the process now, but start collecting from 1st April as Hegde has suggested.
yes,
So
but if the process finishes and if they say no, you cannot go for it, and you cannot go for a housing bylaw or whatever, and sinking fund you have to apply, and you have
We'll apply, that's what he's saying, no, we'll apply
Yeah.
anyway.
I'm accepting that, and if that also doesn't happen, then or if that happens and yes they say likelihood is that no, you can for this project. I'm just taking a hypothetical situation. If they say that you cannot utilize the sinking fund for this purpose, then again then in that case we start as early as possible. If we get a decision soon, we can start in March also. That's what I'm saying. Well, depending on the decision we are getting from the registrar, we can start collecting.
Sure.
Let us minute it actually then. Prasanna.
Why I am doing it? Starting from 1st April, subject to getting approval. If you don't get the approval,
No,
we'll.
no, I think that is not the wording. Starting from 1st April, Mandapeksha, it is starting from applying to the registrar for the change of bylaws. If that
Adoption,
process
adoption.
completes, whenever that
Adoption.
process completes, we start the collection from the next month. If it is
Adoption
favorable.
of bylaws, housing bylaws for premises. Sir.
Correct. Okay.
And if it doesn't happen before 31st March, then we start collecting anyhow from 1st April.
That is what
Sure.
I'm trying to say.
Yeah, but the corollary to that first is we
Yeah,
have to try.
before that, all those things have been noted, right?
Yes.
Okay. And assuming the entire work, but
And also, if we don't get a favorable decision before 31st March, we have to apply for utilization of sinking fund as a premises society, as
Yes.
per the current bylaws.
right.
And that decision also, if it comes before 31st March, we can start collecting early. If it doesn't come before 31st March, we go for the collection from 1st April.
Okay, done. But how much you intend to collect every month? That is based on how many.
I think that will depend on, that is a very easy thing now, because we know the estimate, and from the consultant, we find out if there is any escalation after, if we start in October, and depending on that escalation, we arrive at a final figure, and that will be divided as per our A and BC normal policy, which we have been following for all these years. That is what I assume. If there is any other view, please members can put.
No, it has to be by that.
As per from my rough calculation, from whatever I have done, for A building, it is coming to the current cost, it is coming to something like 230 rupees per square foot. For B, it is coming to 420, BC, it is coming to 424.30 per square foot. That is what is the cost. And even if you do BC separately, it is the same. 230 rupees per square foot.
इतके डबल येतात आपल्या इथे.
हो.
Per square feet.
होतात.
नाही असणारच, म्हणजे विचारते.
Current A building's cost around 49 lakhs है, and B, C चा 60 है. Total 60.
54 आहे A building चं.
54 नहीं है, 49, 48,
54 है, 54. 54, 40 and ours is almost 60 lakhs.
1 second.
Ours is 59, 50 exact.
54, then it will be a little more.
54 च आहे.
54, 40 is that is A wing.
Whatever. I mean, then in that case, it will be a little more. 250 होईल for 29.
37 आहे मला B building.
हाँ. इथे 37 आणि याचं काहीतरी 22 आहे.
आणि आपली 22 आहे.
Nitin,
Nitin, can I ask you something, Nitin? Vinod here.
Yes.
7 आहे.
You said 400 rupees per square foot for B building. is it?
420 or 430.
430 rupees per square foot.
Correct.
So that is almost about 1/6 the cost of new construction cost.
No, new construction, we asked that day, coming to 2,500.
3,000.
So that is almost 1/5.
2,500 to 3,000 rupees per square foot.
No. Let me add something. I had asked him that question only for construction cost. I have discussed it with that Dargalkar document I have sent you on WhatsApp today. This 3,500 is only pure construction. There are additional costs for cost of plans getting approved, redevelopment, because whenever you have decided to demolish, whether you construct new building or not, it is called redevelopment. So that cost is somewhere around 3,500. So total cost will be somewhere around 10,000 per square feet, including all those amenities currently we enjoy. Electrification, piping, sewage, drainage, all included. Then the cost for the redevelopment become 10,000 per square feet. Compared to that, I think our calculation is 450 per square feet.
Right. Okay. Thanks.
I don't think there should be, there can be any comparison, and with overall my feeling is this is a better solution. We get and though he has said increase of 5 to 10 years, I feel it will be practically little more only. Justice honor, life will be little more. So whoever is present in this meeting, it makes sense. For the next generation, I don't know. They are not in the meeting. Let's not think about them. Let's not think about them now. Too much of spoon feeding.
But should live for ourselves.
Yes.
Estimate.
हाँ, बोल ना, गौरी.
Calling. Sorry. Can I speak? Hello.
बोल ना.
हा इंदारकरांनी जे पहिल्यांदा त्यांच्या स्कोप ऑफ वर्कचं दिलेलं कॉलिंग फॉर टेंडर्स फी फॉर सुपरविजन कॅल्क्युलेटेड.
Sorry, your voice is cutting, Gauri.
अच्छा नाव
हाँ बोल.
जे चिंदारकरांनी आपल्याला वर्क दिलेलं ना त्यांचं
हाँ.
हा तर त्याच्यात कॉलिंग वगैरे सेपरेट आहे.
काय आहे सेपरेट?
कॉलिंग फॉर टेंडर्स.
कॉलिंग फॉर टेंडर्स. अच्छा, त्यांची कॉस्ट.
त्यांची कॉस्ट नाही, त्यांची कॉस्ट पण सेपरेट आहे. प्लस इव्हन कॉलिंग फॉर टेंडर्स म्हणजे जे 3 कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर कडून कोण ऍक्च्युअल घेणार त्याची त्यांची 25,000 प्लस जीएसटी. म्हणजे आय एम जस्ट सेइंग दीज आर एक्स्ट्रा कॉस्ट.
ऑफ कोर्स. नाही नाही, ते तर आहे. इट्स अ स्मॉल थिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ ऑल दिस थिंग्स. Small expense.
I'm just saying you have to add
Yeah, that I think that's a small matter considering all this. Yeah, with the new this 54,000, na, your A building will be around 280 here, not 220. 280 पर्यंत काहीतरी जातं. A building. हा ते ऍड परत नंतर करू. आणि हेच बरोबर आहे 60 what 450 420 around that BC च. So give you an idea of the total cost. You can calculate as per your plan. BC is around 450 and A is around 280. So rough calculation you can do. Now these are the estimates of the consultant. When you go for the tenders, it may come down. When you go for the delay, it may little go up, little bit plus minus, but साधारण ही रेंज आहे.
मायनस करायचेच नाही.
प्लस एवढं याच्यापेक्षा
त्यातलं फक्त रिपेअर फंड आपण न विचारतो.
रिपेअर फंड काहीच नाही आपल्याकडे.
नाही नाही म्हणजे इन जनरल.
नाही काही नाही म्हणजे इट इज नॉट समथिंग टू बी it is not something to be ashamed of, because we have decided that we are not going to collect as and when it is required. So that's okay, no problem. तो पण म्हणजे कसा इन्सिडेंटली कलेक्ट केला गेला. हो हो पेंटिंग आलेले. पेंटिंग पण आलेले.
पेंटिंग बाकी आहे.
एक्सटीरियर पेंटिंग इंटिरियर.
So I think Prasanna, if you have finished with that meeting, can you read it so that we can someone can propose and second it and we can finish.
After discussion means what is statement about this collection, no?
Collection and decision about the going ahead of this project.
Yeah, it has been decided to apply to the registrar of cooperatives for change in, I mean, adopting the new bylaws by replacing premises word by housing.
नाही हाऊसिंग बाय प्रेमायसिस. हाऊसिंग काढून प्रेमायसिस करायचं.
हाऊसिंग नाही आपलं. अच्छा, no, Hegde sir, you are talking about the mechanism of doing that. He is talking about the general decision. We are in premises, so we want to adopt the housing bylaws,
right? So you have to adopt those housing bylaws.
Point is, I have got it.
And
Okay.
Subject
please go
to
ahead.
approval,
and formally apply to registrar for permission. We have to also apply for permission to withdraw the sinking fund for the proposed new repairs and construction. If we do not get,
Prasanna, one second.
they,
Not like this.
they apply.
If we adopt the housing premises, then it is not required.
agreed, assuming we don't get, Armand, we going to apply for
Third
that.
तिथे टाकायला लागेल. If we don't get it.
Okay, so if you do not get the permission to change the bylaws and adopt the housing society's bylaws, society is required to apply for formal withdrawal of sinking fund deposits.
Correct.
If we do, assuming we get the permission,
Yes.
we decide to collect the balance installment from April 1.
No. If we get before March, we can either immediately after the getting permission or April 1, whichever is earlier.
Okay, from next month, whichever later.
Yeah.
Okay, suppose you get the permission, then you start collection.
Correct.
If you do not get permission, then 1st April,
Okay.
right?
Correct.
Based on the existing cost of the entire project.
Yes.
I'm talking existing.
Yes.
If there is any applicable escalation in the cost because of starting the work in October 2021,
Yes.
the corresponding will be borne by the members, and members will be informed before or in advance
Okay.
about the amount of escalation applicable. ठीक है का?
Yeah, I think fine. Only thing is, standard reading सगळ्यात पहिला point म्हणायला पाहिजे की the members have agreed to go for the project from 1st of October considering the COVID situation. पहिला मला वाटतं आपल्याला टाकायला लागेल.
हे तर पहिल्यांदाच आहे. ते वाचलं आधी मी. ते प्रपोज केलं होतं ना, मीच प्रपोज केलं होतं आणि it was seconded by Ashar Good, right?
Yeah.
This someone has to propose and second. No?
एक लक्ष असून दे.
I propose it.
Sending the general body resolution. You don't add any other than the passing of adopting the bylaws.
Right. That is to be said, right? Only resolution regarding that is to be said, correct?
Adoption of bylaws.
Barabar, that is right. So who is going to propose this?
Propose it.
Okay, and seconded by
Joshi. Dr.
Dr. Vinod Joshi ka? Okay. Thank you, Dr. Joshi. All right. Any other?
I think it's fine.
Any other work?
Viveka had a point to.
What was the point?
No, in the WhatsApp group chat, we will pay respect for obituary silence. So, Prasanna, you will take up that.
Hey, Nitin.
Hello?
Nitin, one question. Mr. Hegde had. Are you able to?
Whose is this? Who is he?
Mr. Hegde had suggested that we compare the bylaws of the society and the cooperative society, premises society.
We are
still going
not
to
at all audible and there is a lot of disturbance. Who's speaking?
I think Anil is speaking.
I'm trying to speak, but there's some background noise going on.
Who is this? Please tell your name.
Anil, I
This is Anil.
Okay. Anil, yes, I think you can log out and log in again because a lot of disturbance is there.
Yeah,
Nitin?
I think the disturbance is coming from Viveka's phone, maybe.
No,
No?
can you hear me?
Yeah,
No.
Viveka is audible. I mean, yeah, she's okay.
Okay. What I was asking is that Mr. Hegde had suggested comparing the bylaws of housing society and premises society. Are we still going to do that?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
that is going to be done. Yes.
Nitin, I have to leave now. So I
Okay,
think
okay.
I'm in agreement with everything else.
Yeah, but
whatever you already.
just let us complete a show of hands for this. If there is any dissent, please show a hand in next 30 seconds.
Only if dissent is there.
Or dissent? Ha. No.
नितीन तुझा जात वर आहे काय?
तो माझा पहिल्यापासून तसाच आहे. सगळ्यांना वर आहे. सगळ्या गोष्टीला वर आहे. I think we can go ahead. There is no dissent.
मॅनेजिंग कमिटी मिनिट्स मात्र लवकरात लवकर मेंबर्सना पाठवून द्या.
Yeah.
डोंट डिले.
Don't delay. 1-2 दिवसात आपण हे कम्प्लीट करून टाकू पासून आणि
2 दिवस नाही घ्या, 15 दिवस घ्या, पण 3 महिने लावू नका.
हा, you are right.
लोक विसरून जातील.
You are right. You are
Okay,
right.
Nitin, bye.
Okay, I think we can adjourn the meeting, or anyone wants to propose?
Don't say agent. It is concluding.
Conclude. Yeah.
No more adjournment now. It is concluding.
Let us sit in silence for the people.
Yes.
2 minutes. Yes.
For the members and for the of the society whom we have lost in this year, since last 1 year. Should we take names?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we had Mrs. Bhatt, then Mrs. Patki, then Mr. Tapekar, Mrs. Muzumdar, and Mrs. Joshi, Senior Joshi. So let's observe silence for 1 minute for the departed souls. Thank you very much. So I think we can conclude the meeting. We'll end the session.
Thank you to chairman.
Thank you to chairman and managing committee.